In this recording in our series of templates, we'll be concentrating on the drag and drop templates. Now, the drag and drop templates are located in the task pane on the right-hand side of the CAD window. And as you can see, we have drag and drop templates, and we have also a list of the different types of operations that we can have drag and drop templates are. And for every template that we have created, it always falls into its proper category, whether it be a pocket, whether it be a face. And I can open all templates by clicking on Expand All, and I can also click on Collapse All to collapse all the templates and just have the major list. Okay, I'd like to do a drag and drop template with the same template that I created before with the 16 millimeter end mill. So I'm going to go to my pocket, and I have at the bottom here the template that I created in my previous recording called Test Pocket. I'm going to hold my mouse on it, drag it to, say, this surface over here. When I let go, you'll note it'll automatically create an operation on that surface and also calculate its toolpath. And if I open up the operation, you'll see the following. You'll see that it has the tool already in it. The geometry is taken from the face that I dropped it onto, and everything in the technology is exactly what I had inside the template. Now, what would happen if I would have a template where I did not save the tool information, for example? And I have such a template over here. It's the exact same template I had before, but this one does not have a tool in it. So let's see what happens if I use this template as a drag and drop. Again, I'll take this and drag and drop and maybe to this surface. It will start its calculation, but it will stop. And then the operation will open up, and I would have to go to my tool, which you see, which is empty, and add the tool that I need over here. So go to Select, choose any tool I may want. I'll keep the same tool that I have here now, and then do Save and Calculate. Now you'll note also that it automatically took its levels. Well, in this particular case, when we use drag and drop, it will take the depth of the surface that I dragged it to, and it will put it in there. That's when we have it as user-defined. In this particular case, also the upper level is taken automatically according to the stock. Now, let me give you another tip as far as like using a drag and drop template with a face mill operation. So I'll close this. Let me open up a regular face mill operation. And I'm going to use the geometry option of stock-based boundary, so I don't even have to create a geometry. I'll go ahead now and choose a tool, and in this particular case, I'm going to use a face mill that I have over here. And the trick over here is under levels. In the levels, I'm going to keep it by top of stock, which is what I normally want to do, and the depth is going to be by the top of the target, not user defined, but by the top of target. And I'm going to save that template. Use any technology I want. Just going to leave it now for hatch. I'll just take this template, save it, and I'll call it face mill updated stock, and whatever, maybe according to the tool or even hatch. Give it a name that will say something to you. Okay, I'm going to click on OK, and I will include the tool data. I'm not going to accept the operation that I did. Instead, I'm going to use the template that I just created. So let me close all these templates and go to the face. And in my face, we can see that I have that template that I just created over here. I'll take it, drag it. Now, it doesn't make a difference to what part of the perpendicular to the Z axis goes. I can do it on this face, on this face. It does not make a difference. Why? Because in my levels, on my levels page, I had it set to take the levels according to the updated stock on top and up until the target itself. That's how we can automatically get a face milling operation very simply. In my next recording, we will go into process templates.